Hey guys, what's going on? Andrew Rodriguez here, and I got some good stuff to show you. Alright, so we're finally shipping out the X5 F15 kits. That's 2014 and up BMW diesel X5s. So what you get is you get a filter head, the bracket. There's a couple nuts in here. We'll make a DIY video tomorrow. This is anti-abrasion sleeve. I'll show you in the video how to install that. This padding isn't just padding, it's absorbent pad. So I thought, hey, it'd probably help everybody if I sent this to them instead of having to look for something around the house to soak up the diesel when they disconnect the stock system. So I'm sending you an absorbent pad. It's super easy to use. It's going to prevent your engine bay from getting smelly. And I got more good news. So down here we got the Q7 bracket that just came in. And this is the F30 bracket that just came in. The really nice thing about all this stuff that I'm making is it takes 5-10 minutes at most to install, and it's really easy. Looking forward to helping you guys. Bye.